we start our visit at the permanent exhibition, in the beginning I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Alfred. Also, I'd like to introduce this building now is Archive and Museum of Timor Resistance. This building, in Portuguese time, is belonged to the Licor. In 1999, after elections in Timor-Leste, majority voted independence, Indonesia lost in that election. So on 4 September, when the Secretary General of UN announced the result, Indonesia unhappy and destroyed all the buildings in the territory, including also the building of Parliament in 1999. So in 2002, after restoration of independence, our president in that time, Mr. Solana Guzmão, Mr. Solana Guzmão had an initiative to put on temporary exhibition about a nossa vitória substantiva. In English, our victory depended on the life. Yeah. So that's why he selected this building to put the first exhibition, but at the time it was the state level. Here we have two monitoring was about the building was the rebuilt building was destroyed in 1999 and the building was done in 2002. Yeah. So this one, this monitoring was about the ceremony of the collection of the documents. For the ceremony of the collection of the documented territory, Archive and Museum of Timor Resistance, he has to join his partner, Mariswas Foundation Portugal. Because all documents collected in that time was in the short of some of them letters some is blocking. So only solution they have to join with his partner to send the more documents to Portugal, make the treatment, and then visit itself. So all the people who provided documents, at the time they arranged them behind the section. The list, the people who provided documents, individual or common, they arranged them. And when they link the documents, they say like that. Isto é o nosso sangue, a nossa vida. In Portuguese version, it means this is our blood and our life. Because during difficult situation, they keep and they preserve. Now is the time to deliver to Archive Museum of Timor Resistance, but say they have to take it. It's our blood and our life. So all the documents will be like that time. Now keep here inside the exhibition. The motto of the exhibition is resistir é resistir. In English, to resist is to live. Mas é a writing of Solana Guzmão. When Solana Guzmão in the bush, during his correspondence, he always wrote resistir é vencer. So now I will invite you to come to the exhibition.
Yeah.
And inside the exhibition here we have three languages, three versions: English, Portuguese, English, and Teto. And you can read by yourself. Also, Mr. Pedro will accompany you in case you have some question. You can ask him to explain. Just accompany you to inside the exhibition. Please go ahead.
Okay, thank you so much.
Hello.
My name is Pedro da Costa. I'm the one who will be accompanying you or will be guide to here. And this is the introduction rooms. And this is the one picture montage. So as about the geographically the island of Timor Montaña. During the war, people always escape to the mountain to find a secure place where they can take themselves. And then also looking for find the natural food, right? They don't have food, they just collect the natural food and also traditional medicine what they can use when they got injured in their default diarrhea or everything. So we do this introduction. And this is, you see, the learning process in the booth. And the half of the bamboo we use as a white pot at the time, I can say. And then charcoal, you know, charcoal.
Yeah,
We use as a pencil. We don't have any
Yes.
So this is the learning process in the booth. Yeah. This is one of the commandant. His name is Commandant Sabika, still active in FFPL now.
He's still alive.
Still alive in FFPL.
He's where?
FFPL, our armed force.
Army force.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
He's also has to function. Normally, he go to the battlefield to fight, or he come back and he have leisure time. He also to teach. This
Commander ले रहे कोई आराम भाई कमांडर का माल है ये कई ने किन्हों दिखांग रहे सिंह ने नई भी नहीं कोई गेस्ट टिमोर की लाल होगा कमाए ना
When was the Portuguese arrived first in the island of East Timor?
Oh my
This is the monument.
सही क्या कोई
And the Portuguese
500 years
came here, they want to look for sandalwood here, sandalwood here, sandalwood. A kind of tree, sandalwood, a kind of tree here.
Yeah, it's really
smells good.
Yeah.
At the time, and also they look for the honey, some of the spices, etc. Due to the stinks of the sandalwood, they are trying to produce the problem, coffee. So we have coffee. So we have to very famous with coffee.
coffee.
Yeah, coffee. And Portuguese also religion because we have.
This is the boat they arrived Portuguese.
Yes, there is a good.
Still boat is there? Lost.
That's
Replica.
But this one is
Okay.
that one in August, the local.
Okay.
A lot of fight against the Portuguese during the Portuguese presence here. We only select one from Manufai, the revolution from Manufai.
Manufai is a community.
Yeah,
A leader.
One district,
Okay.
From Manufai is the local king. Don't forget.
He's a king.
Yeah,
Yeah.
local king. On 24 December 1911, the war exploded.
Okay.
Against the Portuguese. And until 1912, the men almost going to defeat the Portuguese at the time, but Portuguese brought more troops from Mozambique. And when they arrived, we attacked the Manufai. The man was harassed by the Portuguese, and Portuguese put him in prison. From the country.
1941 Portuguese go back.
Portuguese is already left.
Left in 1940. Okay.
Because Australian management alliance force, because in the western part colonized by Dutch, right? So in the western part occupied by Dutch and in the east by Portuguese, but Australian maintained here. And when the Japanese arrived here, fight between two countries, and Australia later escaped to the mountain to find a secret place to do the guerrilla in the mountain. So
The British or Japanese?
yeah, this is Japanese. Some of the population we are asked is Japanese Japanese have to force them open the road in the whole territory in order to give access for Japanese to hunt in the Australian troops in the mountain when they're doing the operations. Yeah. But some of
These dead bodies are
this is the
Timorese
Salazar,
or-
yeah, the Timorese they laying down on the
Okay, just to make-
ground and they perform the letter to show
send a message.
yeah,
Mhm.
for the Salazar. And there's some of population who are in the mountain, they support the Australian troops, but it was very rich when Japanese attack, you are not support, we will be losing that. They like provide the food, give transport, they like pony, to missions, in order to turn the people material home. He established 5 political parties, UDT, UPDT, and Friendly, and another those two small quota and trabalist. But we have to be different ideology because UDT want to independence in the future, but ask for Portuguese 5 or 10 years in order to stay here, prepare the condition like paving the road, building infrastructure, and everything will be okay in the future. We ask for it in the Western part. And then Indonesian do the infiltration in October. So on 16 October 1975, Australian 5 Japanese killed by the Indonesian military. Escaped to the Australia because of the boat came from Australia to Matou and Budiwan. And Governor of the time, his name is Colonial. He escaped to the Islands. So only 14 Yuanis who remain here, and 15 because the situation, and then the Indonesian tried to attack from the border, definitely decide to declare independence to the world.
เองใช่ไหมครับอิสติมัวน่ะลาลอยางงางเด็กเกดเลยเฮาบินี่สมานว่าลิงเจนมานะเว้ยกูสร้างจะเลยตระ
Yeah, it's here in Portuguese.
สิ่งดมาดโลเลยให้ลาลอย
The Portuguese are not really because of the reason is the security. This is our text proclamation on January 5.
Where was that in from?
This is in front of the place. This is the picture in short.
อิสติมัวสิ
Because Timor is
invasion ตꯧสิอินโดนีเซียก็ตัวเดิมเลยอยู่อเมริกาไม่ยอมไม่ก็มวยจะมวยน่ะคนน้องคุยยุโรปกับปีนั้นก็ต้องตัวไหมมวยน่ะมวยยังเคย leader เลยแบบนี่ฟูก็ตัวหัดแกเอาหุ่นกับกุสมูก็ได้นี่มวยข้าก็ตัวนี้ this is Gusmu or
This is the one of the guerrilla.
Commander.
And this the woman is also resistant. She's still alive. She's here. His name is Pilesa, Ana Sinovina. This is the settlement in the bush, but this is the state. Otherwise, we don't have one.
วันเลยน่าจะน่าเศร้า
The number of population, Timorese, 650,000 per remember. And then for 4 years forward, in 1978, Indonesia had power, and then 498,000.
โอเคแม่เสียง
of its population go lost.
20% ด้วยฮัดก็ซีแล้วไม่เอาไม่ใช่
After 4 years of Indonesian occupation.
ก็ไล่กับพังบ่ได้ this is the Australian one
Now this one from Japan, and this one from Japan, and this one from
ไล่กับตัวเลยนะที่ย้อนน้องไม่
And this one, Indonesian military radio communication when they doing operation, but guerrilla after the attack and they kill the.
ง่ากูตานะก็สมได้ไม่เอาอย่างเดียวมีนะตัวจะน้องไม่กำจะไปมันจะ
Take it from Indonesia,
เวลเสียนะต้องลานจะเอาวิน
capture from Indonesia.
เวลลานเดสินะว่าเวลวางฮัลโหลthe army
And this machine gun capture from Indonesia after they kill, they used to fight back. Normally we did like this during 24 years because we are not other country support. Militarily,
this is still working
yeah, still active. Militarily, no the country support. We have fight alone, but diplomatically, yes, some countries support.
Ano may marunong sila?
real bullets si na nong mo lak pa ni hari mo jo lak ta di la lo bu ya ta mo jo ha plan to le de mo di european dai bomb dai gi am do tha ta sale
This Portuguese gun and this is the handmade. Because of very limited of gun, population try to invent this
On.
pistol welding this and send to the bush as alternative to fight.
masana sa sa he pipe to ra ka nong mo ji ko na
Also
ta
psychologically, just to make a sound, shooting around and these things, a lot of bullet, a lot of men.
si me na na hori
India
je
really only one to
sina Portuguese na piram mane nong mo yani je ong ji ka ta ne ta ori lal hor ga ni khata mis
And this is also AK-47 crab from Indonesia, captured in 1970.
Indonesia ti lak ne hai si nong mo je lak pa ta
And this Portuguese gun, Japan, and this.
Portuguese te gi logo si nong mo si bottle me lan ho
Okay, this is a uniform from Indonesia. After guerrilla kill and they remove the use because in the bush no clothes.
okay
Yeah, the Valentine flag and Valentine the one from Valentine side there.
okay dress for the Indonesia ti lak ne hai
This one from Indonesia and this one Portuguese gun, what we call Z3. Yeah.
okay Portuguese start supplying weapons
No, that one when the Portuguese
Left, they keep some gun.
Yeah, some guns still remain here.
Okay,
So
okay.
we took this to fight.
okay
See,
Okay, you can see this one ambush. This one, you know why this exists? This one to counter the Indonesian propaganda. Normally Indonesia say to the world, no more war, no more guerrilla fighting. And then also to commemorate Valentine Day, this operation.
propaganda
Yeah, propaganda, to counter Indonesian propaganda.
Uh-huh.
And then clandestine organized the journalists and brought to the scene, to the place. And then Valentine made the ambush attack.
mai sta bra si na santi le ga hajen bido
This is the gin solid from Australia.
do sana mi je far ga phubi roi noi santi le de kom mona
Yeah, after this to expose to
Indonesia ri object ke kom
so
mona
that we still exist, not like
Tahu
what
ini,
Indonesia
moi mi
is
je
not.
te mo si ga as 303
they covered in glass. Like these weapons are they covered in glass.
ang di thau re si da kana na
Tarmat Anwar.
Yeah.
Tarmat Anwar,
to samo sota
former prime minister.
oh
Tarmat Anwar.
tamara okay former prime minister we met
Yeah, I met him.
I met him.
Yes.
Yeah. He's,
So you like cleaned it up, the weapons and everything.
yeah.
Then you display. You clean it. The library there.
Yeah.
I just saw today only.
Yeah.
My ano diary ba to?
This one also. So this is the bishop, Timorese bishop, the first Timorese bishop. His name is Don Martin de Costa. Normally he
who got the Nobel Prize or
No, the other one. The second one is not got the Nobel
Okay.
Prize. this one, normally you have a meeting with Indonesian government. He comment about the human rights violation and genocide and injustice in this thing.
Okay.
So Indonesia unhappy with this.
Okay. He started speaking out. Tí tầm giờ ngay ni hay history mode đấy ma'am.
Okay, this is the family planning. Yeah, implement.
Nupi cái gì đồ này khơi đi. Mà phá dân hắn lại rồi đó. Sao đi nupi cái nó ngay bài thắt là cáo nó sẽ đi cho mình cái đấy. Bây giờ là quy định có gì sai ni phu kun than ni phu. Mua kun tham
This
à.
is the ceasefire. One of the Indonesian organizations name Probanto. They have a ceasefire. What's in contact with the guerrilla, and they have me. This is the non-cross cloud. With Jalan Islam. You know the.
Semua itu protes ke sali semua. Independent is what we inspire. Long live Zanana. Yang hau jadi, kem demand di, pangwai wadi letre, macam ni, bol kita na vini. Kau mandi buka tahu William. Sana jadi kaya ang khun na tham ke siyo. Ni man le pa ya ba ke chance ka ta. Amis. Wal pumba support ok sala yang Europe ta protest ta.
This is 99.
Oh, means you understand everything.
Yeah, I understand it because...
You run also? Like,
Yeah, because my mom and my dad included.
Okay. Mistri mana, lingsian mana saya ikut kak lalu pada lingkat tampangnya. Saya umdah suatu mana dah mina paite itu. Lagi je, kang ter kang hai meam ni, kang mana? Amnesty ni kata orang Indonesia orang. Amnesty is important role ni. Lalu jadi kau mana dia amnuk sida. Gusmona arrested. Admi sih nasihat sama dress ni mah. Apa yang sama dengan $22 था खत्म में 20 में था कुछ more percent हो रहा तो सामोसा foreign minister हो रहा ya no esta sino que no
Yeah.
Yung ni mi ay di pilong copy winning is no may July. Oi lot from ne thai na la lo bagi.
Oh yeah.
Typewriting of July.
So this why
Oh my goodness. Cool ga bisa mai lo la bas ni khatam no la thing ne. मैं हम स्वाद लोचल लगे थैंक यू